Friends, today we are going to take another strategy that we've been practicing with addition and turn it into a subtraction strategy. So just like we started with the concept of using tens to add on our open number line before we moved on to tens and ones, we're going to do the same thing with subtraction. So let's say we have the number 58. And I'm going to take away or subtract 30. We're going to find out what that equals. Now, the most important thing to know, super most important, like in your brain, you're going to put like giant red stars all by this information because it's like super duper duper with lots of exclamation points. Excitingly, incredibly important is that when you are subtracting on an open number line, your starting number, which is our first larger number here, needs to be on the right so that we have space to count back. If you put it here, and you're trying to count back, you're going to run out of space going to the left. You need it to be on the right so that you've got space. So my starting number, 58, goes right here on the far right so that I've got plenty of space to count back. Then I can go check out my tens and say, okay, my tens digit is 3. So I'm going to count back 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. So now I can, okay, so this was minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So let's check our numbers and put them underneath. So we were here at 58. So now we're at 48. My numbers are getting smaller. 38. 28. Ooh, there we go. 58 minus 30 equals 28. Just like when we're doing addition, my ones digit is not changing when I'm just subtracting tens. It's just hanging out, staying the same. So let's practice a few more of my subtraction problems. Magic eraser there. Let's do another problem. Let's see here. Let's start at 85. And we are going to subtract 60. I'm going to kind of have to plan ahead here because I see I've got some tens to take away. So remembering that super important red star item, my starting number goes on the right, 85. Now I'm ready to take away my tens, subtract my tens. So let's count back by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Whoop! I was thinking ahead, but I still almost ran out of room. Okay, so that's 10, 20, 30. Oh no, what did I just do? There it is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So let's go back and label. So we start here at 85. We're counting back, so our tens are getting smaller. 75, 65, 55, 45, 25. Oops. This Bible made a boo-boo, didn't I? 35, then 25. My brain got ahead of my pencil and wanted to write 25 early, didn't it? I had to fix my mistake. If you make a mistake, just fix it as well. So our most important things to remember we're starting on the right. And then we're moving left to get smaller. So let's see. One more and you'll be ready to do this on your own. I'm going to use the number 74 minus 40 equals something. Starting number goes on the right. You are correct. We've got to start on the right so we have space to count back. Now I'm ready to count back my tens digit. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 74, 64, 54, 44, 34. Now, I do like to go back and check 34, 44, 54, 64. Yep, that makes sense when I count it because just like you saw on my last one, you can easily end up with a skipped number if you're not paying attention. So sometimes you might need to check yourself. So this is how we subtract tens on an open number line. Next time, we'll add some ones into the party. Make sure to do your very best and get all your work done today.